literally get all the way to Eugene and I forget my tripod. That's fun. We're gonna really have to step up our game here. Hello guys, I'm just popping in here. This is my VidCon vlog of 2019 and it starts off really scattered. Yeah, I was just a little bit confused watching it, so I wanted to pop in here and just tell you guys a little something before we get into the real video. If you guys have been following my channel for a long time, you know that I go to VidCon pretty much every single year. This is actually the 4th year that I've gone to VidCon, but the first year that I ever really experienced getting into these like lounges or whatever. The real reason why I wanted to film this clip is because I wanted to just pop in here and say how much VidCon means to me. My very first VidCon that I went to, I had just hit 1,000 subscribers and I had had my channel for 2 years, and going to that VidCon inspired me to keep going with my channel so much. VidCon definitely holds a really special place in my heart. It seems like every single year that I go, I'm like re-inspired in a way, and every single year it keeps getting a little bit better and better. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to come on here and say that I'm grateful for all of the years that I've been at VidCon, because every single year it just keeps on pushing me, and it seems like the experience that I get out of VidCon every year is exactly what I need at that point in time, and then there's so much more to look forward to. And of course my favorite part of VidCon every year is literally seeing my friends. That's the #1 reason that I go. Although this video is a month late and I apologize for that, I really wanted to post it because it does mean a lot to me. I hope you guys get to see a little bit of the excitement and inspiration that the place has to offer. All right, let's get into the video.
When I think about yesterday,
I'm with Olivia and Josephine, and I just got here. I literally just picked up my badge and I walked
so sunny,
over a mile. These shoes are
comfy,
comfy, but I can't walk in them very well. I don't even know where we are, but Olivia and Josephine, we ended up here. I'm just drinking my water because I'm really thirsty from my hike. I'm not kidding. It was a hike.
15-minute hike, and it's super hot out.
You're gonna sit.
Wait, should Olivia sit? Yeah.
The Gushers.
There's Gushers. I love Gushers.
This is definitely gory.
I'm here with Emma, and look, she got. I got filled.
We've been DMing about this all day. Or the past 2 days.
I got the mocha.
The mint. No, I know. But you have to be a mint person.
No, we're gonna go together.
Okay, let's go.
Some TikTokers walked by me and they were like, "Yo, your pants are sick. Men's boohoo could never."
Oh my God, there's a mini car.
Those are the rocks from Vegas. They're called like the 7
Are we ready?
Wait.
Oh yeah. We're ready.
Try those.
Okay, let's go. These could be my reading glasses. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out of the vlog. But you guys want to know a secret? Go check out her vlog, because then you'll know what we were talking about.
Everyone here do TikTok and want to kiss me. Thank you.
We're just, you know, it's like better than a frat boy, right?
They're all like 12.
Better than a frat boy. So I'll show you guys inside. I don't know, we're starving, so we're like slightly hangry, but we'll figure it out. Well, now we have to film your reaction because this is exciting. They've never been in the expo hall.
I played volleyball in here, but like, what do you think? It looks like the Disney running convention.
Emma, they have a Barbie dream house.
These are so nice.
Oh, thank you.
For a really long time.
Yeah, no, it's so nice. You can take photos with it.
Yeah.
Hello, what's your name first?
Julie.
Julie, and she has a channel.
Hi, Julie Arnsdorf.
I love it.
So.
Wow, you recognize me from behind. I'm impressed.
I kind of
yeah.
was standing over there and
I okay, nice. And look, she's got a G7X too.
I do.
We're camera twins. Woo. All right, we got food because Emma and I are starving. We're dead. There's no seating. This is the realities of VidCon.
I'm a big floor girl. Like,
yeah.
Yeah, I could sit here for days.
We can people watch. That's the best. Yeah. And this bowl, that doesn't look like the most delicious thing. We're twins.
It's so good.
We're together.
Oh my gosh.
The Portland girlies.
Portland,
finally
Oregon
meet in
vibes.
California, which is kind of bad.
I know.
It's whatever.
It's YouTube team.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Please, it's you.
She's putting out content like crazy. She's hardcore hustling for you guys.
I really love you. So nice to meet you.
I'll see you later.
Roasting marshmallows in the Facebook lounge. Everyone's beat. We're just hanging out here and then we're gonna go to my hotel. We're gonna go take pics later. So that's the update. I just feel like I haven't vlogged in a while. So yeah.
I actually haven't.
We're in my hotel room with Amanda and Emma and Bro. We got a whole squad.
Our favorite lady.
Our favorite lady, our bodyguard. But we're gonna go shoot with Carlos right now. I'm gonna go put his Instagram right here and all of us are gonna get pics. So I'm excited. It's golden hour. Let's go. All right, we're on the annual rooftop parking garage. Rooftop, LOL. We're with Carlos. We finally get to meet. It's the worst angle. Look at my feet, you little foot fetish people. Oh, it's so bright.
You look pretty though.
Hi, Kiara. Love you.
Dude, my head hurts. When you're editing this, just know that we miss you.
Now I'm like crying, looking into the sun.
Name on it?
No, go back to the other language.
Et du coup, bah, on se dit, est-ce qu'on devrait essayer de rentrer dans le...
So I got this really delicious meal right here. I'm really excited to try it. But over here we have Josephine got the pepperoni pizza. Emma's got like half salad, half pizza thing. And Amanda and Bro, they got that pizza as well. We're at CBK. And we're starving. It's 9 o'clock. No, I'm good. Go ahead and eat. The food has arrived. I just got back to the hotel for the night. I'm literally exhausted, like my feet hurt so bad. I said goodbye to Amanda, which was so sad. Like it was so good to see everyone and hang out with them today. Had a blast at VidCon day 1 and I'm gonna hang out with everyone tomorrow. I just booked this hotel for another night so Emma and I can spend the night and like just hang out here more a little bit. So I'm glad I did that just so I have like a place to actually keep all my stuff. I have these 2 queen beds all to myself tonight. So I'm just gonna have fun, turn on some TV, shower, and get my pajamas and sleep really well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's day 2 of VidCon. I just got a new roommate. Woo! College roomies. This is our move-in day vlog. We just moved in. We're exhausted.
Guys, we're freshmen.
I just got my first thing at the dining hall. It's this nice grapefruit that I thought was an orange. I'm trying to figure out how I can eat this without a spoon. It's noon right now. I just posted a video and we're having a nice productive working morning, right Emma?
Yes.
We've made phone calls, we've edited, we've done stuff. It's been good. So we're gonna chill here and just relax a little bit, and then we're gonna take a car to the other hotel where all the lounges are. We're gonna go check that out, and then we have a rooftop party tonight, so it's gonna be a fun night. My feet hurt.
I have blisters.
Yeah, I should have brought more shoes, but
I brought 2 pairs. I'm like, I'm so stupid,
Yeah.
but I didn't have room.
right, I didn't have room and I was trying to pack light, so I was trying to make a good decision. But anyway, that's the update. I'll let you know when we're actually doing something besides sitting in bed. But honestly, this is kind of fun. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
We're all here at this, it's not really a pool party, but it's basically a pool that's decorated. Epidemic Sound stuff, which is awesome because I use all their stuff for music.
I have no idea who they even are.
What? How do you get your music? What? We're just gonna chill here for a sec. It's actually really nice in the shade. I'm enjoying it.
All right, I'll be back. I'll text you guys when my call's over.
Bye.
When did you jump in the pool, please?
Yeah, I will definitely jump in the pool with my pants.
All right.
It could be a move. Emma and I have arrived. We got some food because we haven't had much to eat all day, so.
Just full screen carrots.
Right, we went into full screen and got a bunch of appetizers, which honestly, those were right up my alley. We went to Baja Fresh, which is really not my fave. They gave me a platter.
That's pretty good.
I know, it's not bad, but I think that's just because we're hungry. But tonight we have plans to go to another event, so we're just kind of chillaxing here and recuperating, waiting to get our second win. I don't remember when I talked to you guys last, but we've seen some cool people. I saw Kalani and Dance Mom Holly and a bunch of people. It's a different VidCon experience that I'm used to, I guess, but
Like when you say dance school and you vlog, like you're not supposed to vlog there because like
right, there's
that's,
rules.
Like, there's no pictures, so like,
Right.
you're supposed to be like creators that are like mutually like respectful.
Right.
But, like if you see David Dobrik, like, I'm gonna freak the heck out.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna eat my salad. It's not as good as like my usual salads, but it's still my favorite food, so here we go.
We're literally watching the fireworks. They got the audio. See, look, we're listening into it live. Wait, bro.
Good morning, ladies. We just found this revolutionary table. It's really great. I think every facility needs this. Anyway, it's day 3 and sadly Emma and I have to go to LA. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I'm sad to leave. We just went to Starbucks, we got breakfast, then we're gonna like take a little lap around VidCon, say our goodbyes, and head to LA. Check out these shoes we found. Wow, I think you could pull this off. Josephine, what do you think?
Make sure you have time to sit back and like reflect on how far you've come and like have that time of self-love.
There's no words. I'm just sad.
I'm sad.
But I'm so glad I got to see all these beautiful
Okay, that's
girlies.
true, actually.
I'm gonna link all their channels down below, so please go subscribe to all of them. Oh my god, there's someone behind me! Anyway, I love you girlies. Thank you guys so much for watching this year's VidCon vlog. I hope you enjoyed.
Subscribe to Kiara.
Oh my god, you're so
Because she's
sweet.
the
And
best.
let's say bye in a creepy way. Bye!
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down